Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to talk about how you can make money by uploading simple videos on online. Not YouTube. We are not going to use a YouTube, but you're going to make money by uploading simple video. That could be a 1-minute video, that could be a 5-6 minute video, but you can upload this to this website and you're going to make a passive income from it. So if you watch the video until the end, I'm going to reveal what is this website and the process where you can apply and how you can upload video and everything. So first, what you have to do, you know the drill. Before we get in the video, subscribe, like and press the bell icon. And if you want to win a £10 PayPal money, watch the video until the end and leave a like and leave a comment and I like this video, or if you want me to make a video on certain topics, leave that in the comment section. I will do that for you guys. So this is my dashboard here. You can see already one video is uploaded. If I click analytics, it's similar to YouTube, but you can make at least $100 per day if you have more videos and more views. I gotta explain and everything. Like you can see, that's one video uploaded yesterday. That's 11 views, 8 minutes watched, and 15 click-through or view through rate is opposite here. And I didn't make any money at all, but it's still, when you start to grow more views, and you can make the money out of it. So if you want to say, I want to take you through the upload process in the beginning, so I can explain and everything later. So what you have to do in your dashboard, click upload, and you need to select the video that you want. So what kind of video that you can upload? You can upload anything, any videos that you want, education video, how to do videos, tutorials and everything. But the more important thing is that video belongs to you. You can't just go to Google and download a Creative Commons video or Funny Cat videos or compilation video and upload it back to here, because you will be rejected automatically. That video belongs to you. Or you can make a simple education videos and you can upload it here. So as you see, this is the one of my YouTube channels. I make a daily fact videos. I already explained that in a couple of other videos. Using Vietnamese to create it. I will reveal the software in the end. So I will upload this video. This video is getting over 100 views every single day on YouTube. So I want to copy these videos and put it on this platform. Again, you see video is uploaded. You already title is put it here. Now what you have to do, just copy the description, just copy that and paste it on here, and the tags that you can add up to 50 tags here. So I'm gonna, for this video, I can keep it simple, so I'm gonna keep it like this. So, and also for the description, you can only up to add 3,000 words, not more than that. On YouTube you can up to 5,000, I think. So you can do that. So you can only upload 3,000 word here on description. Now the tag, you can upload up to 50 tags here, but I want to keep just one, so to keep it short. This is no age restricted video. I want to be public, and you can select the category here. You can select the what category you want. So I'm gonna go with like education here, and because it's like a similar to education videos. Now after you done that, you can add to a playlist if you have one. So I don't have a playlist yet, so I don't want to keep it simple. Click advanced. You can see from here monetization enabled, and your video is going to be published today. So click published. So your video is published here. If you click publish button, it's published, done. And if you click your channels here, and you can see all the information, your title and your banners and everything. That's your name of your channels, all the social icon. If you go down the bottom, your video, second video is going to be published on here. So if I click here on analytics, and you can see that I already have one video published yesterday that have 11 views, 8 minutes watched, 15 view through rate, and $0 is made. But again, when you start to grow your videos, when you start to get more views, you can get more money out of it. So if I click media, that you can see this is my first video, this is my second video here, and you can see monetization is enabled automatically here. And if you click earning section, we will display that how much money that you made. When you made $100, that you can withdraw using PayPal if you want. But like I said, when your channel start to grow more, when you start to get more views, and you can make $100 per day from it. So what is this website? Before I reveal the website that you can earn money, I can show the website that you can make these simple videos from it. So you're going to use Vietnamese to create this simple video. So you can see this is the video I already uploaded on here, and you can see from my channels and the video is uploaded here. This is the same video I created using Vidnami here. So Vidnami is the video editing, video making software. When you upload the script for your videos on Vidnami, they will select the template, or you can select the template. Then for the script, they select the scene for the script, and they can add a auto voice if you don't want to speak to that, or you can use your own voice if you either way. Then the video is created within the 10 minutes, guys, that you can download it and upload it to this website. Now you have to understand one thing. You don't have to, other than YouTube, you can upload any videos. You can upload silent videos with text and or overlay for the pictures. You can upload a video that generate auto voice using computer program, and you can do a celebrity videos, like a text-based celebrity videos. Those videos are eligible for monetization in this channel, in this platform, other than YouTube. So again, you can't make much more money like a YouTube, but again, it's a good to make a passive income from this website. So when you created content for any social media platform like a Facebook or Instagram or TikTok or YouTube, again, you need to consider smartly what you can utilize, what you can do with that content other than those social media, so you can upload it like these platforms to earn extra income, guys. What you can do here, that you can see after you create and upload it on here, that when you start to grow, you can earn money. So what is this website? This website is called Dailymotion. Dailymotion is famous for the video player. So lots of movies that uploaded in Dailymotion, but you can see these videos are getting money. So for example, if I click this one open, and there you can see there's 25-second advertisement played in front of the video. Because of that, this channel is gonna make money. You can see 80 here, that's advertisement. That these advertisements are non-skippable advertisements. So the viewers have to watch the video until the end in order to get watch the videos. Channels who upload this video are gonna make money out of it. You can see this is around 1 minute of video. I can click that and show you there's 1 minute and 60 seconds, but again, there's no voice in this video, just an image and the text overlay. I think they create this video using Vidnami. It's a similar template. So like I said, this is the work. And if you click this one called Real Simple, this is the channel name for them, that you can see that they have getting over 2.3 million views already. They have over 2,000 videos, and you can only see they have only 121 followers. So it doesn't matter how much followers or subscribers you have in this platform, as long as you get more views, you get paid more money, guys. You can see that's why these channels uploading this simple video content. You can see each of the video lasting 1 minute to 54 seconds to 50 seconds. Again, you get paid for that. Again, if you upload longer video, that you can use it like in-stream ad. So these kind of videos only able to put one advertisement in front of them, but if you upload a 5 to 6 or 8 minutes video, they can upload one video in the mid, one advertisement in the middle and another advertisement at the end, so you can make more money out of it, guys. This is how you can make money by uploading simple videos. Like I said before, you don't have to upload a Creative Commons or Funny Cat or compilation video in these channels. You will get banned immediately. What you have to do, create a simple video. You don't have to use a Vidnami if you don't want to, but if you want, you can click the link in the description, get 25% off here. But if you don't want to, just go to download a couple of images, put the text using your video editing software, create a 1 minute video and upload it here. Then what you can do, upload the same video back into all the social media and TikTok. You can grow the fan base over there. At the same time, you can grow get more views and get more money from Dailymotion. So this website works worldwide and is getting around 230 million views every single month. It is not famous, but again, it's getting millions of views. And again, you can't make a couple of thousand every single day. You can make $100 or more if you upload a clickable or searchable videos here. So what you do, go to the Dailymotion and understand what kind of videos getting what kind of views and everything. So make similar videos. So these diet videos are getting a little bit more views than others, so you can create a video on that topic. And so again, when your videos start to get more views, then you can make more money out of it, guys. I hope, guys, you understand this is how you're gonna make money uploading simple videos videos on online, basically on Dailymotions, and you can make a passive income out of it. If you want to make videos like this one, you know the drill. Like and subscribe and share these videos, leave a comment, don't forget to press the bell icon. Also, if you want to win the 10-pound PayPal money, all you have to do, leave a comment and say I like this video and put your PayPal address. When this video hit 100 like, I will do the giveaway, guys. Thanks for your support. Have a good day, guys.